6 ways that you can boost your emotional intelligence. Your emotional intelligence is your ability to understand, manage, and express your feelings, as well as navigate and engage with others. Emotional intelligence is an essential component in the formation, maintenance, development, and enhancement of close relationships. Here are 6 critical ways to boost your emotional intelligence. Reduce negative emotions. Learning how to effectively manage your negative emotions so they won't overwhelm you can help to boost your emotional intelligence. To change the way you feel about a situation, you first have to change the way you think about it. Learn to manage stress and stay cool. How you handle the stress in your life can make a big difference between being assertive versus being reactive, which is an essential aspect of emotional intelligence. When you find yourself under pressure or in a stressful situation, the most important thing is to keep your cool. Learn how to be assertive. There are times in everyone's lives when it is essential to learn how to set appropriate boundaries, so those around you know where you stand. This includes exercising your right to disagree without being disagreeable, setting your own priorities, and saying no without the guilt, to name a few. Being able to stay proactive when dealing with difficult people. We've all encountered unreasonable people, and it can be incredibly easy to let them affect your mood and ruin our day. Some keys to staying proactive in these kinds of situations include taking a deep breath before saying something that you might later regret, putting yourself in a difficult person's shoes for just a moment, and setting consequences that can help compel a problematic person to shift from violation to respect. Bouncing back from adversity. How you choose to think, feel, and act when faced with life's challenges can make the difference between victory and defeat. Anytime you face a challenging situation, you need to think about the lesson learned and what is most important. Ask yourself constructive questions based on learning, and you can gain the right perspective to tackle any challenging situation. Expressing intimate emotions in close relationships. Boosting your emotional intelligence means developing the ability to communicate and validate tender, loving emotions in your close personal relationships. This means sharing intimate feelings with someone in a manner that is both nourishing and constructive. Your emotional intelligence, unlike your IQ, can evolve and increase with your desire to learn and grow. Keep these 6 essential ways of boosting your emotional intelligence in mind to dramatically improve your overall EQ.